Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of large pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. The water inlet valve operates by the main control board, allowing water into the tub. It's located behind the kick panel on the left. The main reasons why the water inlet valve would need to be replaced are if there's no or very little water in the tub, if water overflows, or if the water valve is cracked, causing a water leak. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Now we need to remove two Phillips screws that holds the dishwasher to the countertop, and one in each corner. So now I'm going to pull out the dishwasher and grab it here on the top and slide it out. And I'm going to tilt it back, jam it under the counter so I can remove the toe panel. I'm going to remove a couple of Phillips screws and take off the toe panel. Again, let's place the towel on the floor because we're going to have some water dripping. And I'm going to disconnect the water inlet hose. I'm going to use a pair of large pliers. And I'm going to unscrew that, turning it counterclockwise. I'm going to press in those two tabs. And we're going to pull off the lock bracket here at the bottom. Now we can slide the water inlet valve down. And I'm going to use the same pliers. You can use smaller pliers if you want to. And I'm going to move this hose clamp off. And now I'm going to disconnect the power plug from the water valve. I'm going to press down on this tab with a flat blade screwdriver. And I'm going to pull out the plug. So now we're going to remove this hose. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to peel it off slowly. Don't make a hole in it. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, we've got here a new water valve. And I'm going to start with placing the hose on. And then I'm going to slide the clamp to secure the hose. I'm going to use this large pliers that I used before. And the plug goes next. And I'm going to place this little bracket. If you can see, there's the channels. They're going to lock on this sides here. And we're going to put this lock bracket on the bottom. Again, there's the channels. And there's an opening here. I'm going to slide it up. And the tab locks. And Water line goes on. Before installing the water line, make sure there's a rubber gasket inside and it's in a good shape. Only then we can screw on that water line. Take your time, not stripping the threads. Tighten manually, and then you can do about quarter to half of the turn with the pliers. I will do quarter turn. That's enough. Now we can remove the towel. Now I'm going to install the toe panel. Place it over, match the holes on both sides. And I'm going to put those two screws. Install it using a Phillips screwdriver. Now we can lower down the dishwasher. And we're going to install it back onto the counter. And now we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with the couple of Phillips screws. I'm going to attach it using the Phillips screwdriver and close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.